And last, I'm going to show you how Starfall can be used as a literacy center. The games, the books, the skills reviewed in movie format, the word machines with short vowel sounds, and an extension. So we'll start by clicking Learn to Read. The students can click through and play each game that they choose to play. They also know that they can click and watch the skills movies.
How the alphabet got its order. Long ago in Alphaville, all the letters were having a lot of fun. But the letters weren't very well organized.
I just wanted to give you just a quick preview of what the skill movie looks like. I believe that our students really love the option of choice, and they also love technology, which we all know, and they also love movies. So by being able to choose these things themselves, they can engage in their learning. The other part of this that can be used as a literacy center is just simply the books. My students love to click and read through the books. They can also go to down here where it says the cat, and if you click that, they can do the word machine, short vowel sounds with the word vowels, with the vowel sounds, making a word. Again, very animated, very engaging. There's Zach the rat.
Rat. Rat.
Now you say it.
Rat.
Rat. Rat.
I love how it's modeled for them, so they are set up to succeed on this activity. You can change the first sound by clicking the star, or you can change the final sound, which is also an RF4 standard for kindergarten, first, and second grade.
Ran.
By incorporating visual pictures down below, I believe that this is a very ESL friendly program. Lastly, I'm going to show you the extension. What we use as an extension when students are done with those things, they can choose to go to It's Fun to Read, and this has a variety of different things, such as poetry, music, and activities that require the reader to read in order to engage in the activity. I hope you enjoy using Starfall.